हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बीए सिक्स सेमेस्टर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में पेपर फर्स्ट में यूनिट फोर्थ का फिक्शन नेक्टर इन अ सीव, जो कि लिखा है कमला मार्कंडे ने। उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन तो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट है, व्हाट इज द ओरिजिनल नेम ऑफ कमला मार्कंडे? आंसर इज कमला पूर्णिया। यानी उनका असली नाम क्या है? मुख्य नाम क्या है? कमला पूर्णिया। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ कमला मार्कंडेज हस्बैंड? उनके पति का नाम क्या है? जॉन टेलर। थर्ड, व्हाट वाज कमला मार्कंडेज इनिशियल प्रोफेशन? यानी उनका अंतरिम क्या है? प्रोफेशन यानी व्यवसाय क्या है? जर्नलिज्म। यानी फोर, हु इज द प्रोटोगनिस्ट ऑफ नेक्टर इन अ सीव? आंसर इज रुक्मणी। फाइव, कमला मार्कंडे वाज बोर्न इन? आंसर इज मैसूर। सिक्स, कमला मार्कंडेज सरनेम बिफोर मैरिज वॉज? आंसर होगा इसका पूर्णिया। उनकी विवाह से पहले उनका क्या नाम था? पूर्णिया नाम था। सेवन, व्हाट वाज कमला मार्कंडेज फादर? आंसर इज ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफिसर। एट होगा, कमला मार्कंडे टूक हर स्कूलिंग एट? आंसर इज मैसूर। यानी उन्होंने अपनी स्कूल की शिक्षा कहाँ से ली? मैसूर से। 9, Kamala Markande migrated to England in? Answer is 1948. 10 है, in which year was Kamala Markande awarded with the National Association of Independent Schools in USA? Answer होगा 1967. 11, which of the following belongs to Kamala Markande? Answer is a license of desire. 12, which of the following is not written by Kamala Markande? बेलव्ड इन लोगों ने, इनने नहीं लिखा है। टू वर्जिन्स इनने लिखा है। पोसेशन इनने लिखा है। द नाउ हेयर मैन इनने लिखा है। 13, के आर एस अयंगर कॉल्स कमला मार्कंडे आ? आंसर होगा इसका ब्रिलियंट स्टोरी टेलर। 14, कमला मार्कंडेज नेक्टर इन अ सीव वाज रिटन एंड पब्लिश्ड इन? आंसर होगा 1954। 15, which of Kamala Markande's novel was published in 1972? Answer is The Now Here Man. 16, in her novels, Kamala Markande shows the encounter of? Answer is East and West. 17, the novels of Kamala Markande have? Answer is melodramatic note. 18, Nectar in a Sieve is the story of a? Answer is an old woman named Rukmani. 19, who takes a job with Dr. Kenny? Answer is Selvam. 20, Nectar in a Sieve is the story of? Answer is Peasants. 21, who is Ira? Answer is Rukmani's daughter, यानी वो क्या होती है? रुक्मणी की पुत्री होती है। 22, नाथन एंड रुक्मणी वेंट इन सर्च ऑफ मुरुगन, यानी वो मुरुगन को ढूंढने जाते हैं, नाथन और रुक्मणी। 23, हु इज द डॉक्टर इन द नोवेल? जो डॉक्टर होता है वो मुरुगन होता है। 24, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ रुक्मणीज डॉटर? इसकी एक पुत्री का नाम ईरावती भी होता है। 25, वेयर डिड कमला मार्कंडे सेटल? वह कहाँ व्यवस्थित होती हुई? इंग्लैंड में। 26, हु इज रुक्मणी मैरिड टू? आंसर इज नाथन। 27, विच फैक्ट्री इज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन द विलेज वेयर रुक्मणी लाइव्स विद हर फैमिली? आंसर इज टैनरी, यानी चमड़े का कारखाना स्थापित हुआ था उनके गांव में जहां वो रहती थी। 28, what social evils are created as a result of industrialization? यानी औद्योगिकरण का की क्या बुराइयां समाज में उत्पन्न होती हैं? ये सभी होती हैं, यानी अगलीनेस यानी गंदगी भी होती है। जहाँ फैक्ट्री लगी हुई वहाँ कूड़ा करकट ज्यादा होगा, वहाँ लोग ज्यादा होंगे। इन्फ्लेशन यानी महंगाई आएगी, लोग उसमें काम करेंगे, उनके पास रुपया आएगा, उनकी इच्छा जागेगी, वो चीजें खरीदेंगे तो सामान की आपूर्ति कम होगी तो महंगाई ज्यादा आएगी। क्राउड यानी भीड़ तो होगी, जहाँ फैक्ट्रियां लगी होती है वहां आसपास लोग भी रहते हैं। 29, why is Ira sent back to her parents after marriage? Answer is barren. 30, what does Ira do to support Kunti? Answer is sells her body. 31, who helps Rukmani and Nathan in the city? Answer is Puli. 32, which novel of Kamala Markande has been called as a realistic epic? Answer is Nectar in a Sieve. 33. What was the subtitle of the novel Nectar in a Sieve? Answer is a novel of rural India. 34. What is the narrator of the story Nectar in a Sieve? Answer is Rukmani. 35. In how many parts has the novel Nectar in a Sieve been divided? Answer is 2. 36. Where do Arjun and Thami go after they have been dismissed from the Treasury? Answer is Ceylon. Ceylon. 37. How many plots are there in the Nectarina Sieve? Answer is 1. 38. What does the village in the novel Nectarina Sieve symbolize? Answer is the rural India. 39. How many sisters does Rukmani have? उसकी कितनी बहनें थी? 3. 40. Who helps Rukmani in bearing a child after a long time? Answer is Kenny. 42, 41 है how many children are there in the family of Nathan? Answer is 6. 30, 42 what is the name of the last child of Rukmani? Answer is Kuti. 43 where did Murugan work in the city? Answer is Birla Doctor. 44 what was the name of Murugan's wife? Answer is Ammu. 45 what is remarkable about the plot of Nectarina Sieve? Answer is circular plot. 46. From where was Kamala Markande borrowed the title for Nectar in a Sieve? Answer is S.T. Coleridge. 47. Who has influenced Kamala Markande most in writing Nectar in a Sieve? Answer होगा E.M. Foster. 48. What type of narrative is Nectar in a Sieve? Answer is all of these यानी tragic है, traditional है, autobiographical है. 49. In whose opinion the real truth of the world novel is the spiritual stamina of Rukmani against such formidable enemies to her culture? Answer is A.V. Krishna Rao. 50. Who brings lonely and dejected Rukmani back to her village? Answer is Kuli. 51. Who are the great contemporaries of Kamala Markande in Indo-Anglian fiction? Answer is all of these यानी पद्मिनी सेन गुप्ता, Anita Desai, Mrs. F. Das. 52. In whose opinion Kamala Markande's novel in comparison with those of her contemporary women writers seem to be more fully reflective of the awkward feminine sensibility in modern India? Answer is A.V. Krishna Rao. 53. What is the central theme in the novel of Kamala Markande? Answer is poverty and hunger यानी गरीबी और भूख. 54. How many novels of Kamala Markande were never published? Answer is 2. 55. Who says that Mrs. Markande belongs to the middle class of 20th century India? Answer is Kai Nicholson. 56. Which part of India has been portrayed in Nectar in a Sieve? Answer होगा इसका Southern India. 57. In which novel has Kamala Markande given her experiences on the East-West theme? Answer is Nectar in a Sieve. 58. In which single novel has Kamala Markande used one Indian abuse commonly spoken in Indian village? Answer is a handful of rice. Handful of rice. 59. In which year was Kamala Markande awarded the Asian Prize? Answer is 1974. 60. What was the social status of Kamala Markande's family? Answer is aristocratic Brahmin family. 61. For which novel the Kamala Markande been awarded the Asian Prize? Answer is B. Two Virgins. 62. Who has compared the contribution of Kamala Markande with that Jane Austen and Virginia Woolf? Answer is Dr. K.R.S. Iyengar. 63. Which English magazines has eulogized Kamala Markande as the finest Indian novelist writing today? Answer is the New York Times. 64. How did Kamala Markande start her literary career? Answer is as a journalist. 65. Which is the first novel by Kamala Markande? Answer is Nectar in a Sieve. 66. How many novels in all has Kamala Markande written up date? Answer is 9. 67. Rukmani is the daughter of, answer is village headman. 68. Who is the foil to Rukmani? Answer is Kunti. 69. Kunti allows her son to join, answer is Tannery. 70. At which age Ira was married? Answer is 14. 71. Kali is known in the novel Nectar in the Sea as a rustic woman. 72. Who is Moni Leander in the novel Nectar in the Sea? आंसर होगा विश्वास। तो आज की वीडियो हम लोग यही समाप्त करेंगे। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को लाइक करें। जिस किसी को इस लिंक की वीडियो की आवश्यकता हो उसे शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।